Hello, my name is Corey from Meat and Potatoes Organizing, and welcome to this week's Just the Tip. Today, I want to talk about getting rid of old toys and games of your children. So it's the time of year, maybe you're watching this before the holidays, maybe you're watching it after the holidays. Either way, it's a great time to do a toy purge. So in my house specifically, I have taken out all of the games. I found that we collect a lot of like board games or little games with trinkets and all the things. A lot of them are missing pieces. They no longer play with them. My kids have aged out of some of them. So the ones that are still intact, I'm going to donate. Along with the toys that they've also aged out of, we're going to donate those too. And then we are gonna get some new games and toys for Christmas, so I wanted to make space for those and have them be easily visible and easily accessible for my kids, because then I know that they will grab them and actually play with them. So here's your tip this week. If you haven't done any organizing, I want you to attack the board games and also potentially start the toys. So let me know how it goes for you in the comments, and I will see you next week for another Just the Tip.